Hey, what's going on, everybody? I had a SYMA send me a drone and a helicopter. I'm going to unbox it real quick and show you guys what's in here. They sent me a message on TikTok asking me if I wanted to, they could send this to me. There it is. It's a foldable drone. I'm not unboxed it yet. Looks like you just clip these out though. Yeah. This could be fun. It's got a little camera on it there too. You can see that. Super lightweight little drone. Let's see what else is in the box real quick. Looks like we got some extra, looks like a guard over there for it. If y'all can see that, there's a guard. Some other goodies. And this must be all the power cables. Controller. It does connect to your phone. This is the holder for the phone here. That's what this is. Yep. And it looks like we have instructions. Make sure I'm looking at all this stuff correctly. Tools, relays, battery, chargers. Yeah, and you can see there it's all the extra tidbits. There they are, extra blades for the guards. So there it is. This just fits onto there. So anyway, we're going to use this, and I'll film a video using it as well. We'll see how all that goes. Alright guys.